Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video, we will see if Instagram sends a notification when you take a screenshot of someone's story. Now let's start. Open the Instagram app on your phone. I've posted a story on one of my accounts, and I'm going to take a screenshot from another account that I have. Let's open the story, and now I'm going to take a screenshot. Let's switch back to that account and see if I have any new notifications regarding the screenshot. So let's go to the homepage, and tap on the heart where the notifications are and see whether I received any notifications regarding a screenshot. I don't have any notifications saying that someone took a screenshot of my Instagram story. So the next thing you could do is to go to the homepage and open your story. Swipe up to see who viewed your story, and that is also where you will have a notification when they send you one, which I don't really see. It only shows me who viewed my story, but it doesn't tell me if someone took a screenshot of my story. So to sum everything up, Instagram will not send a notification when you take a screenshot of a story. However, if someone screenshots a photo in your chat, you will be notified. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to open a chat and send a photo to my other account. I'm going to switch to that account and screenshot the photo. And then if I go back to my account and open the chat, I will see a little screenshot notification next to the photo. This means that the person took a screenshot of this photo. So if you open your Instagram chat and see this little symbol, that means that someone has took a screenshot of the photo you sent them. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.